What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you an amazing feature that most of you don't know about, and this is for all of the Samsung users out there. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is in good health. Today I'm going to be showing you a secret feature that's going to be able to enhance your experience on your Samsung smartphone. This is pretty much going to be for any Samsung smartphone, and I'm going to be showing you step by step how to actually execute this. And you guys are definitely going to want to stay through and watch the entire video because this is some insane stuff right here. So first and foremost, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is go to the Galaxy Store right here. Now, once inside of the Galaxy Store, you're going to want to download an application called GoodLock. As you guys see right there, I've already downloaded it. But this is about 15 megabytes, so it's a very, very small file. After that, you're going to want to go ahead and open this application. Now, once we're in the application, we have two different sections right here. We have the unit and we have our family section. We're going to want to go to family. And we're going to want to find something called one-hand operation, and that's about 3 megabytes, so it's a very small file as well. Now, once you've downloaded this application, you're going to want to go ahead and click on it. And as you guys see, it is on currently, and for most of you, it's going to be off, so what you're going to want to go and do is go ahead and turn that on. Now, you can either choose the left handle or the right handle. I like to use the left handle, so we're going to go ahead and turn off the right handle. Next, we're going to go ahead and click on that, so click on left handle right there. And we're going to go to diagonal down right there. And you're going to want to go and scroll all the way down and click on task switcher. Now you can choose any of these different actions for this specific feature, but for this particular trick, I'm going to go ahead and click on task switcher. Then we're going to go ahead and back out. Now after we've cleared all of that out, I'm going to actually show you how to utilize this. Now to actually utilize this is going to be very, very simple. All you're going to have to do is go ahead and swipe from the left side or the right side, whatever one you chose. We're going to go ahead and hold this down like that. And that's actually going to open up our recents. Now we have the option to click on YouTube, Play Store, or any of the recent applications that are opened. So we're going to go and test that out again. So we're going to click on YouTube, and that's going to take us straight back to YouTube. Let's go ahead and try the Play Store. That's going to take us to the applications right there. So whatever your recents are, it's going to take you to those recents, and I thought this was a really cool trick. It does take a second to get a hold of it. Also, you can search from the bottom left of that any application that you want to use. So those are the functions that actually come with this. You can also close all of your recents if you would like to as well, as you guys see right there. So we have nothing in the recents tab. But I thought this was a really cool tip. Also, you can make any action for this type of little one-handed use trick. So definitely tell me in the comment section down below how you guys are going to be utilizing this on your Samsung phone. Also, if you did learn anything new from this video, definitely go ahead and leave a like down below. Also, subscribe if you guys are not part of the Tech Gang already, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.